Okay, welcome back to Shave It Down Under. I'm Doug, another unboxing, and still on the American unboxing. So these are some injector blades from Schick, some vintage ones I've bought that I may try out one day. Had another crack at buying another gem, and it came with a box, but it's all just disintegrated. It was that old. And it just hasn't made the trip over safely. At least this one screws in all the way. And some Eveready booklet to come with it. Okay, so we have some more shaving soap. Declaration Grooming, 88 Chestnut Street. Looks like it's been, there's a hair in there. It's been used once. Actually not a bad scent, but my God, you'd think you'd clean that stuff up before you scent it on. Oh dear. We have another declaration. La Petite Prairie. May have been used. It looks like it has been used, but at least they've cleaned it up this time. This was stuff I just won. Just put small bids on and got lucky. Chiseled Face. Can't pronounce that, sorry. Once again, I won it. And you'd say that hasn't been used. Smells like a ginger nut biscuit. If that was edible, you'd eat it. That's got a nice scent to it. That nice biscuity scent. And we have another Chisel Face and banana. May have had a bit scooped off the side there. And smells like banana. Okay, you go up there. Alright. This might be it is banana aftershave. I really don't know if I want to smell like a banana. And the chestnut. Rightio. Nice. That didn't really work at all. And this here is a blade bank for used razor blades. Come on. And it sounds like someone's popped a couple of... So you put your new blades on top and your old blades in the slot. And it feels like it has been used. Rightio. Let's see what's in this box. Oops, sorry. Okay. Well, it's a Gillette Traveller set. Just a matter of why did I buy this one? The old tape, electrical tape on the back. And it's a gold single ring. Very nice. This should clean up nicely. Let's check the tubes. Doesn't feel like there's anything in them. Yep. Anyway, I've bought it. I've got it. I think that'll stay open. Alright, and this is going to be the final episode of this unboxing. Let me just cut this off camera. Okay, so just got to be careful. I've got my friend's address on the other side of this box. I don't want to show her address. Just empty butcher's paper. I'm not sure what's going on with this one, what it is. Let's get in there and find out. Well, it's a Gillette. I'm starting to guess what I think it is. This is the final piece in this unboxing. This set contains 2 blades, 4 shaving edges. Premium. Has the number printed on the box. Yes. 3 reasons. Hope it's all fitting in the screen. Can't say I've never seen this book before. Maybe pause that so you can read it. Don't know if that was the same page then. The new improved. Don't use the razor like a hoe. Use a diagonal stroke as shown in figure 3. There we go. Let me pause that. Lovely stuff, look at that. Just, there we go. Lovely. I've wanted one of these for a while. I missed out on one on an English auction site that was engraved. I just couldn't believe I missed it. And finally one bobbed up, and it's come with the shipper and the little sock, I suppose you'd call it. There we have it. What we'll do is swing that over, see if that all matches. So 6727. Ah. Shouldn't do this late at night. Six 5B, the last ones. And I think that's correct. Feels empty. Alright. Sonar blades. Come on. Let's have a look at the handle. Looks like a split there. Ah well. Can't always get what you want. Just hang on one sec. So I am happy with that. I'll clean that one up. Put it on display. How lovely is that? Well, it doesn't really want to lock down, but maybe it's because of that. It was. Well, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing as much as I did. And I hope you found some of it interesting, as I surely did. Well, that's it. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope you found some of this interesting. And unboxings will probably get a bit thin from here, as I'm sort of, it's finding hard for me to collect stuff now, and also because since I've sold the shop, my income has just dropped right down. So It's hard for me to buy anything at the moment. Okay. Thank you for sticking around once again, and we'll see you in the next unboxing. Ciao for now.